Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import product from Aliexpress to Shopify. So the very first step is to go to the apps and click on more apps in the collection, and then you need to search for this app here. The search alert drop shipping, then click on add app, then click on install, and then click on create an account for you. So you can see that they have a free plan. Choose this one, and then you need to link your store and Aliexpress. So from this you need to create an Aliexpress account. After I click on authorize and then click on let's start importing product, then as you can see here you have a short tutorial on how to use app. So in order to import an app you need to copy the link of your product. So for this example I'm gonna use this wireless earphone. Copy the link and paste it here and then click on search. Let's see, as you can see here, enter of the name, all this thing, long name here, and you can see we have here our product. Then click on add to import list and then go to list and then click on push to Shopify and click post to Shopify. Now if you go to product, as you can see we have here our product. Now you can edit the description and everything. As you can see you can change the name, the description, and you can even change the photos and much more. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if it helped you, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.